Very, very good morning, all of you. How are you? Fine. Okay. Did you study? Okay, good. I hope you are good. Welcome back to our social online class. Title of the lesson is The Earth is Unique. Geography from Geography. The Earth is unique. First, we learned about the surface of the Earth, the atmosphere, then the distance of the Earth from the Sun. Then in our last class we learned the shape of the Earth. The Earth is Earth's shape is called sphere. Okay, the Earth is round, but it seems flat to us. Okay, two ends little flat. Okay, like an orange. Look closely at the shape of an orange to understand this, right? Today's topic is the earth, our home. What? The earth, our home. All plants, animals and people that live on the surface of the earth survive because of the water on the earth, the earth's atmosphere, the heat and light of the sun. Right? 3 points. Because of all plants, animals and people that live on the surface of the earth. Right? Why reason? The water on the earth. We studied now. Then second point, the earth's atmosphere. Clear? Then the heat and light of the sun. Okay, ma'am? The earth is very precious. Very precious means very valuable. Okay, very, very important. Valuable thing. Okay, very precious because it is the only planet that is home to plants, animals and people. Okay, that is a reason. Okay, the earth is like a good friend to all plants, animals and people who live on it. Okay, very good friend. Okay, we must take care of the earth just as it takes care of us. Okay, in our this lesson, which lesson? The earth is unique. That lesson completed. Okay, the earth, our home, all plants, animals and people that live on the surface of the earth. Why reason? The water on the earth, then earth's atmosphere, then right amount of heat and light get from the sun. Okay, so very like a good friend to all plants, animals and people. Okay, so we must take care of the earth. Okay, I am asking, you will listen. Why is the water of the earth important? Why is the water of the earth important? Do you know? The water on earth is important because we need water to live. Correct? We need water to live. Many plants and animals live in water. Okay? So, very important. We need water to live. So, very, very important water on the earth. Okay? Then, second question. What would happen if there was no air to breathe? What would happen if there was no air to breathe? If there was no air to breathe, there would be no life on earth. No life on earth. Okay. Then, third question. What would happen if there was no sunlight? What happen? If there was no sunlight, we would not get any heat or light. Life would not exist. Okay, so everything very, very important. Heat and light important, atmosphere important, water, everything important. Okay, okay, air also important. Otherwise, you couldn't breathe. Okay. Then, why should we take care of the earth? Do you know? Why should we take care of the earth? We should take care of the earth because it is the only planet which has life. Other planet don't have life, right? On earth we get enough sunlight and warmth from the sun, water and air to live. Okay, understand? We should take care of the earth because it is the only planet which has life. On earth we get enough sunlight and warmth from the sun. Okay, water and air to live. Okay, understand? This lesson very easy, no? Very, very important lesson. Okay, from this lesson we so many things learned. The earth looks blue because almost 3 out of 4 parts of the earth's surface are covered by water, only one part land. Percentage like 71 percentage water, 29 percentage land, right? The layer of air surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere. Then the sun and the moon are both very far away from the earth, but the sun is further away than the moon. Okay, the earth is a sphere which is flat at the top and bottom. Okay, there is life on earth because it has water and air and gets heat and light from the sun, right amount of heat and light. Okay, so we must take care of the earth. Okay, understand, ma? This much only. Okay, we take care of ourselves and our loved ones. We should also take care of the earth. Okay, all should study well. Do you have any doubt? Please ask in our interactive class. Okay, all of you take your book, turn to page number 59. Page number 59. Page number 59. Okay, Roman letter A completed, Roman letter B completed, Roman letter C also completed. Okay, Roman letter C also completed. Today, Roman letter D. Roman letter D. Okay, all of you listen. Match the following. Match the following. Okay, A side A, unique, sphere, atmosphere, oxygen, surface. Listen. Unique, sphere, atmosphere, oxygen, surface. Okay, then B. The outer part of something, a gas found in the air which we need to survive, the only one of its kind, the air that surrounds the earth, then anything that is round like a ball. Understand? A side red, B side also red. Now listen. First, unique. Unique, answer is the only one of its kind. Okay, one. Okay, then second one, sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, shape of the earth, right? Then anything, see here, anything that is round like a ball. Okay, two. Then 3, atmosphere. Atmosphere, answer is the air that surrounds the earth. Atmosphere, the air that surrounds the earth. Then fourth one, oxygen. Oxygen, answer a gas found in the air which we need to survive. Oxygen, a gas found in the air which we need to survive. This is 3, this is 4. Okay. Then fourth one, surface, the outer part of something. Surface, the outer part of something. First one. Okay, listen. Unique, the only one of its kind. Then spare, anything that is round like a ball. Then third one, atmosphere, that is the air that surrounds the earth. Oxygen, the gas found in the air which we need to survive. Then fifth one, surface, the outer part of something. Okay. Then question answer. Fifth question. See here, fifth question. Name the things that make life possible on earth. Answer. Name the things that make life possible on earth. Answer. Water on the earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere, and the heat and light from the sun make life possible on earth. Life possible on earth. Okay. Understand, ma'am? Listen once again. Name the things that make life possible on earth. Water on the earth. Water, W-A-T-R, water on the earth. E-A-R-T-H-S, earth surface. S-U-R-F-A-C, surface. The air in the atmosphere. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. Air, A-R, air. The heat. H-E-A-T, heat. And light, L-I-G-H-T, light from the sun. Make life possible, P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, possible on earth. Okay, water on the earth's surface, the air in the atmosphere, and the heat and light from the sun make life possible on earth. Okay, this much only. Our 7th lesson completed. Okay, all should study well. Stay safe, stay at home. Okay, thank you. Bye. Meet again.